Hello everyone. Today we are diving into an interesting topic. Why is Java not considered a fully object-oriented programming language? This is a common interview question and we will explore it in simple terms. We will also discuss how to overcome this limitation using wrapper classes and break down autofocusing and unboxing. Java is widely known as object-oriented language, but it's not 100% object-oriented. The reason: Java has primitive data types like int, char, boolean, double, and more. These types don't behave as objects, which breaks the pure object-oriented paradigm. So for Java to be fully object-oriented, everything should be an object, but primitive or not. They are faster and requires less memory, which is why they were included in Java in the first place. To solve this, Java introduced wrapper classes. These classes wrap primitive values and convert them into objects, allowing you to treat them as objects while still benefiting from primitive performance when needed. For example, int has integer, char has character, boolean has boolean, and so on for other types. This wrapper class allows us to use primitive as objects when necessary, making Java closer to fully object-oriented programming language. To make these things even simpler, Java introduced autoboxing and unboxing mechanism in Java 5. Autoboxing. This is when the compiler automatically converts a primitive to its corresponding wrapper class. You don't have to manually wrap the primitive value. This is the example for that. Int num is equal to 5 and integer we can wrap those numbers directly. Unboxing. This is when the wrapper class is automatically converted back to a primitive type. This is the example for that. This saves time and avoids writing extra code for converting between primitive types and wrapper objects manually. When an interviewer asks why is Java not fully object-oriented, you can confidently explain Java has primitive data types which are not objects. Then mention how wrapper class bring primitive types closer to object-oriented nature of Java. And here's a quick answer. Java is not fully object-oriented because it includes primitive types which are not objects. However, we can use wrapper classes to treat them like objects and even provide autoboxing and unboxing to automate the conversion between primitives and their corresponding objects. To sum it up, Java is not 100% object-oriented because of its primitive types, but with the wrapper class, autoboxing and unboxing, we can achieve the flexibility of objects while maintaining performance. It's the best of both worlds. That's it. If you found this useful, be sure to like, share and drop your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated with more Java content.